Okay, now let's look at subscribe so that we can see what we're publishing. So we'll come out of the publish folder, go into the subscribe folder. Again, here's subscribe.js. This is our sample code showing, a simple way to subscribe to a topic on an MQTT broker, in this case, the Edge broker. So let's make a new command window here. Let's move it so we can see both of them. And then again, we have in our documentation, we have a sample of how you would run this command. So again, we're just calling node subscribe.js, the same test topic that we used before. It's always good to subscribe on the same topic you're publishing if you want to see the results. This -d test directory, this is a place for it to put any files that come through. In this case, we are going to publish a file, so it's good to make sure that we have this test directory existing. So I created it over here, and then a separate client ID so that we don't conflict with the publisher. So we will run that. Looks like it connected, it's ready, it's subscribed. So now let's publish again so we can see what happens. So as you recall, we're publishing just that data.json sample object. And there it is. It's printed the contents of the object. It's just a simple JSON, just something. And then if we look in here in the test directory, it's written it as a file there. Okay, so that's it. We have shown how to, using Node.js, how to publish to a topic on Edge, how to subscribe to a topic. And again, you can look at our code and see how we did it and get an idea of how you could do different things. Thanks.